What's going on? It's Suk and I am back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. And in today's video, I'll be unboxing the M2 Pro Mac Mini. As always, I will be showcasing the performance and gaming capabilities of this Mac Mini. So if you are new around here and want to be one of the first 5,000 people to do so, then be sure to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified of when a new video goes live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, I do want to get into quickly mentioning the pricing of this Mac Mini. So here in the UK, it starts off at £1,399, whereas in the United States, it starts off at $1,299. And that'll get you the Mac Mini with the M2 Pro system on a chip, which has a 10-core CPU, a 16-core GPU, 16GB of unified memory, along with 512GB of SSD-based storage. But enough about that, let's pull the tabs on the top and bottom of the rear of the box and lift the lid, revealing the Mac Mini sat atop. Now placing this to a side, we get our first look at what other things come included with this machine. So the first item you'll see is your Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope, and within this you'll find a guide showing all of the ports on the rear of this Mac Mini, along with further information on your 1-year limited Apple warranty, along with some health and safety information and further regulatory details. You also get one large silver coloured Apple sticker. The last item included with this Mac Mini is your power cord, which has an approximate length of 6 feet or 1.8 meters. Also, the cable is designed in such a way that it makes it slightly more difficult to get tangled behind your desk. And then we have the Mac Mini itself. So the M2 Pro model of the Mac Mini has a slightly different port layout when compared to the normal M2 model. So on the rear, going from right to left, you'll find two USB-A ports along with a 3.5mm headphone jack, a HDMI port, along with 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports. You'll also find an Ethernet port which can be configured to support 10 gigabit speeds. And then of course you've got your power port and the power switch. And so that has been it for today's video. Of course, if you enjoyed the video, then be sure to smash the like button. If you are new around here and want to be one of the first 5,000 people, then go ahead and subscribe, clicking the bell icon to be notified of when a new video goes live. If you've got any questions or if there is anything in particular that you would like to see tested on this system, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media, links to which can be found down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.